Welcome to this comprehensive guide on creating effective YouTube thumbnails using Canva, a versatile graphic design platform. Competitor research. Begin by conducting extensive research on your chosen niche. Analyze competitor thumbnails and review their view counts to identify successful designs. Use these insights as a foundation for your own creative process. Accessing Canva. Log into your Canva account. In the search bar, type YouTube thumbnail and explore the template section. Choose a template or start with a blank canvas to begin your design. Adding a background. Click on Elements and then Photos to select an image, or go to Uploads to add your own background. Ensure the background complements your theme. Incorporating the main image. If your thumbnail features a person or product, upload the image. Use Edit Image or BG Remover to isolate the subject if necessary. Resize and position it to make it the focal point. Adding text. Click on Text to add a heading or subheading. Choose clear, bold fonts for readability. Adjust text size, color, and style to ensure it stands out, even on small screens. Applying colors and effects. Utilize contrasting colors for text and background to enhance visibility. Add shadows, outlines, or other effects to emphasize key messages. Adding icons or graphics. This part is optional, but you can try it out to make your thumbnails look more professional. Incorporate icons, shapes, or stickers from elements to add visual interest. Use these sparingly to maintain clarity and avoid clutter. Previewing and finalizing. Zoom out or view the thumbnail in a smaller window to assess its effectiveness. Make necessary adjustments to balance composition and improve readability. Downloading your thumbnail. Click Share and select Download. Choose PNG for optimal quality and save your thumbnail. Thank you for using Canva to enhance your YouTube presence. For further guidance, visit our website.